All right, so what we got here is we got the cold water is running really slow. Hot water is running fine. So it's a little bit different than the other one we had where the hot water, or they were actually both slow on the other one. So I'm gonna show you what we do to get this going. Come underneath here, and what you're gonna do first is disconnect just the cold line. Obviously shut the valve off first on the cold, and then disconnect just the cold line. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. Then what you're gonna wanna do is take that cold line and run it into a bowl or a cup. I used a Gatorade bottle. And then, so take that cold line, run it in there, and then come back up here on the top. So obviously that cold right now is off. If I open it up, it's gonna drain out whatever's in that hose right there. But with the hot water on now if I go halfway in between, it's trying to mix it. So I have some hot water coming out here and some out here. So what that's gonna do is that's gonna push water back through the cold line, and any debris that's caught in that line, it's gonna backflow out of that line. So do that as much as you need to until you get that debris pushed out, and then reconnect it all and you should be good. I'm gonna do this a couple times and I'll be back. Okay, so with this clear bottle you can actually see all this junk that was pushed into there, and that's what was actually slowing us down. So now that I've got that cleared out, I should be all good to go now. So now that I've got that all reconnected, I can go ahead and turn that on. I'll come back up here, and like I said before, the hot water was working fine. Now we've got the cold, and they're both the same exact pressure now. So hopefully that is helpful for you guys.